If you are watching this video, it means one thing: you are serious about CTET. You are tired of confusion, random study, and self doubt. And today, you want a clear strategy and strong motivation to crack CTET in your first attempt. Listen carefully. CTET is not a tough exam. It is a smart exam, and smart preparation always beats hard but directionless study. Many aspirants fail not because they don't study, but because they don't know how to solve the CTET paper. They read books, they watch videos, but inside the exam hall, panic wins. Today, this video will change that. First, understand this clarity. CTET does not test how much you remember. CTET tests how a teacher thinks. If you think like a teacher, if you read questions like a teacher, CTET becomes easy. CTET paper solving strategies. Golden steps. Steps first, start with confidence selection. Begin the paper with the subject you are strongest in. This builds confidence and save times. Confidence is your biggest weapon in CTET exam. Step 2. Eliminate, don't guess. CTET questions are designed to confusion. Don't look for the right answer first. Eliminate wrong options. 50% of CTET is elimination skill. Step 3. Pedagogy. Pedagogy is equal to practical thinking. Forget book language. Ask yourself, what is the best for the child? What will a good teacher do? CTET always rewards child centered answers. Step 4. Don't get emotionally stuck. If a question takes more than 40 seconds, skip it. CTET is a time management exam. Come back later. Step 5. Smart revision before exam. Last 15 days are not for new topics. They are for PYQs, mistake analysis, concept clarity. Biggest myth. Many students think first attempt is just practice. No. Every attempt should be your best attempt. CTET does not reward attempts. CTET rewards strategy plus clarity. Remember why you started. You didn't choose teaching because it's easy. You choose it because you want to change lives. One qualified teacher can change 100 students. CTET is not just an exam, it is your entry ticket to impact society. If other can clear CTET, why not you? On exam day, walk in with calm confidence. Say to yourself, I am prepared, I am capable, I am becoming a teacher today. And remember, one paper, one strategy, one success. If you want more CTET paper solving, PYQs, and smart strategy, stay connected. Don't give up, don't doubt yourself. Your CTET success story start now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.